What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Wise. First, go to wise.com or download the Wise app. Click sign up, then enter your email address, and once you do that, you then need to verify your email to continue. And once your account is verified, you'll be asked what kind of account you want to open. Choose personal if you want to send, spend, and receive money worldwide, or business if you do freelance or business work. Don't worry, you can always add another account later. Next, select your country, enable two-factor authentication, and create a strong password. Then add a payment method like a bank account, debit, or credit card. To send money, click Send Money or New Transfer. Enter the recipient's details, choose the currency, and type in the amount. Wise will show the fees and estimated delivery time. Review everything and click Confirm to complete the transfer. You can track your payments in the app or on the website. And that's it. So that's how to set up and use Wise. I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.